How to create highlights on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Once you're in the profile page, click on the option Edit Profile. Here you're gonna find different section. Scrolling down, you'll find the section of highlights. Click on Try It. Now you'll find different option, camera roll, stories, or uploaded photos. From here you can select any of the picture or the post that you wanna add in your highlight. I'm gonna select from the stories. Once you have selected, click on Next. Now give a title to your highlight. Click on Done. With that, you have just created your highlight. Now in your profile page, people will be able to find this highlight option. Clicking on that, all the posts will be visible. So this way you are able to create highlights on Facebook. If you want to create more highlights, you can click on New, or if you want to edit the existing one, you can click on the highlight, click on Edit, and add more photos or remove any of the photo. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.